If you love sketching, we have exciting news for our Patreon members. We now have a dedicated channel for our sketchbook club, a space where any member can upload and share their daily sketchbook drawings with the community. Today, I am at Wollaston Beach. I'd like to share my process of on-location sketching using pen and watercolor wash. After setting up my simple easel, my ceramic watercolor palette, and a small watercolor sketchbook, I started the sketch using a 08 black pen. The ink is waterproof, so the lines won't blur after I add watercolor later. Before drawing the Yacht clubhouse, I mentally planned the composition, thinking about how much space I need on the top, bottom, left, and right. I began with the essential lines, then added supporting details. The dark stairs on the right, a few more bolts for balance. And the distant background. The bridge on the left, include a small group with an umbrella nearby. Then I added two people in the foreground. At first, there was only the girl, but soon her friends joined her, so I included two people. together. Next, I applied a quick watercolor wash, but unfortunately, the temperature reached over 96 Fahrenheit, and my camera overheated and shut off during the filming. Here is the sketch after the watercolor was added. I look forward to seeing your next sketchbook artwork shared in our Patreon community.